guys, we're gonna review the single leg breakdown position from the turtle and leading into our twister kill. So, I'm here in my top position and I'm trying to break him down. He's just staying very tight and stalling. He just wants to be non-committed in the movements. So I really have to move. There's things I can do, but I can pull him this way to move him. But since we're not really trying to take another position, I want to maintain the back. I'm here. I'm going to take my outside knee and I'm going to block his knee here. Okay? And as I break him down, I'm going to lock this top leg here, and now he's going to pull back forward. Okay, from here, I'm going to make sure my hips don't get below his hips, so I'm going to sit up. From here, I'm going to do a Berimbolo tuck and roll. Boom. Here, now freeze. The difference between this and me and going my full back take that we do in the Berimbolo is as I stretch this leg, I'm going to catch this arm. Okay, when I catch this arm, I'm going to figure four my legs. Grab his wrist with two hands, come behind his head, sit up. I want to put my head in the crick of his arm. That way, so when I sit up here, his head's gonna move, and I go to the twister, okay? So now, I'm gonna break this down for us. I'm here, in my position, I'm breaking him down. I wanna block his knee. With my outside knee, I'm gonna block him down. Here, boom. Okay, I'm gonna roll him onto my leg. But before I do that, I need to trap his ankle. Okay, I'm gonna trap this ankle, peel it. See how he's rolling over this leg? I'm gonna roll him all the way through, so I lock that single leg right. Okay, he doesn't want to be there, so he rolls forward. I'm gonna sit up with him. Okay, I need to make sure that when I do this, my hips are above his hips. Okay, if I'm below his hips, there's just a whole nother battle of things that has to happen. So I'm gonna stay low. I'm gonna tuck my shoulder just like we do with our Berimbolo series. Here. Now instead of going to the back, I'm gonna swing and I'm gonna catch this. When I catch his arm, I'm gonna figure four my legs. His outside hand's gonna grab his wrist into the top position, sitting up. Now, here's the thing about the twister. A lot of guys come here and they try to, it's just pain. The twister's a spine line. I wanna get his spine looking like a zigzag puzzle. So I wanna slide up as high on his head as I can. I'm gonna pull that portion of his head, almost the crown of his head. We can go gable grip, we can go S grip. It really doesn't matter. Okay. So, one more time. So I'm gonna show this other side. So I'm here, I'm gonna block his knee, block. So when I roll him over, his shoulder is stuck. I want it stuck here, okay? Step over, ankle, peel it. Okay, he doesn't like it, so he goes on all four again. I'm gonna sit up with him, here. Arm comes over, staying really tight, tucking. Look, as I'm here, watch this. There. Now I figure four. 2 on 1, sitting up. Okay? I can sit up, grab his head here. Finish. Now, I can also hit his head to the floor, or his arm to the floor. I'm gonna use two hands. And this is for another lesson, but I'm just showing a little cool detail. The wrist lock from the twister.